Okay.
So they will take turns asking you a question. If that's okay.
Yes, it's not a problem. Not a
One
problem.
question. I will be the translator.
Okay.
Siapa dulu?
Aku. Aku.
So first,
Okay.
so can you introduce?
Iya, gimana di situ gitu. I from Indonesia.
Ya sudah.
Itu bahasa Indonesia aja ya.
Iya, kamu ngomong bahasa Indonesia ke Martin.
I introduce myself. You
Enggak,
introduce yourself.
Mart si Chelsea.
Hello.
Perkenalkan nama saya Chelsea. Saya dari ISTI. Pertanyaan pertama saya, dalam pementasan ini setup apa saja yang perlu disiapkan?
Awas dandan.
What setup?
Kayaknya kita butuh
It's all acoustic violin, right? Oh, although violin, although the guitar was going through the amp because the balance of the guitar is too quiet for the rest of the orchestra. So everyone is just playing just acoustic, but except for the guitar.
Itu violinnya.
Yes. Hi, what's your name?
my name April. I'm from DC. Oke, pertanyaan dulu ya. Pertanyaan kedua, pengaturan equalizer gimana kalau dalam strings? Pengaturan equalizer.
Tapi tanya.
Kalau nggak ada itu, pengaturan yang di strings itu gimana jadinya kalau nggak ada itu?
They are asking since you didn't use any how do you recognize the instrument to sing? Yeah.
You have to play quiet. Yeah, you have to. If it's loud, like the Beethoven, when it's loud, you have to play loud, and then you also have to. When it's soft, oh my God, I have to say this because I noticed that a lot of the string players on Bali, they're always amplified, so no one plays quietly because you just play with it. If I'm too loud, the mixer guy will turn me down. No. You have to, like when you play with just acoustics, and to do that, you have to listen to each other. So I don't have the melody. Rita has, so I have to. If you can't hear the cello and the cello has the, you have. So you can. That's a really good question. Who has the melody? It's not. If it's not you, and you can't hear the melody, play quietly. Yeah.
Suara-suara itu kan dengan cara bermain perlahan, tenang, biasa. Kalau harus kencang, kencang. Kalau pelan, pelan. Dan apa dia bilang, banyak pemain di Bali ini mereka bermain selalu kan pakai amp. Jadi mereka tidak tahu bagaimana dinamika suara itu sangat penting.
And if you do have the melody, play loud. Like play it. Like this. So Rita often has the melody, and I remember like no one's gonna turn up your volume. You have to play.
Saya nomor 3. Siapa nomor 3?
Perkenalkan, nama saya Antonius. Jadi saya ingin bertanya terkait dengan pengalaman kakak. Saya penasaran dengan pengalaman kakak dalam bermain violin. Apakah awal kakak bermain violin itu di suatu sekolah atau bermain sendiri? Itu saja.
He's asking if what is your experience playing the violin? Did you start playing in school or maybe from learning?
That's a good question. I started playing piano private when I was a little kid. And when I was in school, they asked, "Well, do you want to play in an orchestra?" And I said, "Yes, violin." But probably the same. I don't know what's happening in Bali with the schools for SD level, but I was really lucky because it's back when the U.S. had a lot of money. They had a good music program, so you could play violin in SD schools, and you could rent a violin. I think if you didn't have the money, they would they would lend you a violin. And so I started playing violin when I was 10 in the schools, but I was really lucky. I'm old, so it was back when the U.S. had money. And now, I remember even when I was in high school, they started cutting the music programs. So it's unfortunate. It's sad. It's sad because if you learn younger, it's like a language. It's more natural. You can always learn when you're older, but it's like a language. And if you start younger, it's just more fluent. You're more fluent at it. But not to say you can't start now and still learn.
Jadi pengalaman Kakak, dia kan mulai dari piano. Tapi pas SD di USA, Amerika ada program untuk anak-anak bermain violin orkestra. Dia ingin ikut. Dia mendapatkan program untuk bermain violin. Well, that's all of our questions.
Nice questions, guys. Thank you for coming, and thank you for your questions.
Great
and
performance.
thank you. And I hope that it helps with your future careers here. Definitely protect your instruments, get a contract, try to have a good attitude, but don't let people push you around.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Can
Sure,
we take
yes.